Sorry this is gonna be a lot shorter of a video, but I just wanted to show you guys what progress I made over the last few days. I'm still not sure if I want to put these fog lights back on the car, but I will keep them with the car just because they're original. The fog lights alone are worth more than I paid for the whole car. So to me, $500 will always be a great deal.